Oh.
Hi guys, today we're going to open a Sliotar, okay? It's a hurling ball. It's a national sport of Ireland and we're going to see what's inside it. Well, these are quite tough. We'll see how we get on. It's size 4, that's the weight. It's obviously made by Puma and it's had a bit of wear and tear. We've enjoyed playing with it before. So we're going to have a look, see what's inside. I think we're going to try and cut it down maybe this way. So here goes. It's going to take a bit of time because it's quite tough. Completed cutting around the circumference. I've actually got a hacksaw blade which I'm just going to use to try and get a bit deeper inside. And that's what it's looking like at the moment on the inside. It's kind of like material with a hard plastic plug on the outside. Obviously very tough to open. We're still at it though. I'm getting an idea what it looks like from the inside. A lot tougher than I thought it was, but obviously it needs to be tough. This is on the inside of it so far. It's obviously one of the world's fastest ball sports involving hurleys, so it's got to be pretty tough. And the inside is like kind of material and fibres. Hard. It's actually plastic casing on the outer. It looks like leather, but I think it's actually plastic. And on the inside it seems like it's kind of a cork composition. So this is really, really hard. Quite heavy as well, so we're going to see if we can open up this. I need a hacksaw blade. This ball can travel at speeds in excess of 100 miles an hour. It's over 160 kilometers an hour, and I can see why, because it's actually very hard and durable, and there's a fair bit of weight in it. Now, we're eventually there. So that's what's on the inside of a hurling ball known as a Sliotar in Ireland. It's kind of like a cork composition, very hard, durable, heavyweight cork compound. The outside obviously is made of plastic, and then you have the inside, it's kind of fibres that cover the cork, and so it gives it some substance. So that's it for today, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you'd like to see more, would subscribe and like our videos, and we'd love to hear more suggestions what to open next. Okay.